Welcome to my channel. Welcome to lesson 2 of Learning Indian Sign Language with Joanna. I'm glad you liked my previous video. I got so many feedbacks. I really want to thank you for that before I begin. And to start with, I'd say that we will be doing basic signs and grammar, but I'll be making two separate videos of it. Part 1 and part 2. Part 1 will discuss basic signs, which we will be using in part 2. So please make sure to see the part 1. Do not skip it, especially if you are new to sign language. Okay. So let's begin with part 1. Basic signs. So now to do the basic signs, just few handful signs that will help you to introduce yourself, to ask the deaf about himself, and to just strike a conversation. So let's begin. Some of these signs you would actually know, such as you, me, mine. Mine is palm flat on your chest, and yours. So mine, yours. Yours is fist facing outward towards you. So mine, yours, and we have, I made a list of signs just so that I don't forget anything. Then we have ours, like me, ours. So straight palm, thumb on the shoulder, right shoulder. So you take this hand, semicircle out, back to your left shoulder. So make sure your hand is not too high. This has to be the level of your shoulders, chest. So right shoulder to left shoulder. Perfect. Now we go us. Us is usually, it's like, say it's two of us, so it will be two of us. If a person is standing next to me, two of us, or you and me, two of us, two. So inside of the hand, inside of the palm faces right side, two of us. Okay, let me just adjust this. And then we have name. So name in Indian Sign Language is this. It actually comes from a name tag. So you've seen people say it is waitress, restaurant, or a line of business where you need to know the name. They have a name tag, and that name tag helps you sign. So it's your index finger and your thumb with the fist. Name. Okay. Now we'll use these signs and construct a sentence just to help you remember and see how it makes sense. So when you meet a deaf, first off you will ask the deaf, because you might observe or might see him signing with his friends, talking to him and not speaking. So you say, "Hi, deaf?" And obviously he'll say, "Yeah, I'm deaf." So you say, your name, what? So we don't say what is your name, because that's English. In Indian Sign Language, we first pay attention to the object or the subject. We put everything else later on, so that the deaf are able to pay attention to the actual question. These things we will be discussing more in part 2, that is grammar. So again, your name. So now, do you know how to sign your name? You remember we did alphabets in the first lesson, and then did you practice? If you did, perhaps you can finish the sentence. That is, my name is. So my name is Joanna. Now your name, what? I'll give you a few seconds to sign your name to me, although I cannot see it, but it will definitely help you practice your alphabets and be confident. Great. You were able to sign your name. Now let's move to man, woman, boy, girl, family members, so that you can ask the deaf, who's your father? Where do you live? Where is your home? How many people are there in your family? Do you have a sister, a brother? And when the deaf asks you, you know exactly what to say. Let's go ahead. So, man is signed as man. You've seen men with mustaches, and if they have a bit of a long mustache, they like to play with it. So, this is man. And then a woman, you've seen, it's in fashion these days for women, girls to have a nose ring. So, woman is nose ring and man. Now, from this comes boy and girl. A boy is young or small, so we give him a height. So we say boy. Girl, girl, and father, father, mustache one, because he is the first in the family, the head of the family. Father, mother, father, mother. Now, son. The sign for birth or born is this. It comes below your chest, born. And so you can do son. So you do a mustache and then deduce born. Son, born. And woman, born is daughter. 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 See the hand shapes? It's like you're holding something. It's like holding a pot. So a small little boy, a small little thing, baby. Baby would be actually this, but born. Okay? Move ahead. So brother. Now brother is like your sibling. A bit like, equal to you. It's like in Hindi we say mera bhai, meri behan. So mustache, brother. Mustache, shoulder, hand on the shoulder, right side, brother. Woman, shoulder, right side, sister. So now we have last two signs. First is home. Home is palm bent, not too much, just 45-degree angle, half. Bring them together, home. Okay. Next we have place. Place is take your left palm, keep it flat, right palm, middle finger, that is next, or the second finger, so index finger, then the second finger, and place it in the center. So if you were to imagine what this looks like, it looks like your map, Google map location, pin drop location. So that's your address, that's your place. And last of all, we'll sign questions like what? Eyebrows up, hands moving side by side, what? And why? Now shoulders go up more, and there's like just the expression, if you notice, is like why? And it becomes a bigger handshake. Why? And then we have who. You say who, and you bring their attention to your lips so that they know it's who. So you say who. So again, who. This goes like this would be clockwise, this is anti-clockwise. Who. And then we have last, where. Where is index finger right to left. Where. So your home, where. your father where? Sounds good. So now you can start making sentences. Please, these signs that I have taught you, practice them and use these signs to make sentences and start being confident in how you sign. Right? Now we'll go to our part 2, grammar. See you soon. Thank you so much for watching part 1, basic signs, and I hope you enjoyed it, you learned something new from it, and if you did, please remember to subscribe down below so that you can see more videos as they come, if in case you haven't as yet. And second, please like the video if you really liked it. I hope you enjoyed it, and remember to see part 2 if you want to know how to make sentences that make sense. See you soon.